Hey guys, Sarah here at Fab Nails, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new here. Today I'm going to be sharing with you all the essentials that I need while doing nails on myself and clients, and I've also found some really nifty tools that I need to share. So let's jump into it. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to start off with are OPI's Expert Touch lint-free wipes. These are amazing. They're ones that I really love. I have tried other wipes that say they're lint-free, but they're really not. So these I have stuck with for years. The texture is pretty stiff, as you can see, but there's no lint that comes off of these. So these are amazing. I get these off of Amazon, and they come in packs of 4, and I got 2 of these. So I will be set for a very long time. The next thing that I love to have on hand are table towels, and these are the 4 Pro brand, and these have the poly back on them. I don't know if you can really tell, but it's like a plastic backing that I love to have on my nail table, so no liquid or anything like bleeds through and gets all over the table and you have a huge mess to clean up. That's really annoying because I've been there, so I highly recommend these table towels. I've recently found a really good filter for my dust collector. Not the actual filter that comes in the dust collector, but these are really thin dust collector filters that I put on top of the actual filter and my dust collector, and then put the vent thing over it so it's like stuck in there. But I used 2 of these. This is only 1, but as you can see through it pretty good. You can still see my face. And these are really amazing. They don't gunk up the actual filter that's in your dust collector, and you don't have to clean it out as often. Once a month, maybe every 2 months, I will take the actual filter out of my dust collector and rinse it out. Actually, I'll blow it out really well with canned air, and then I will rinse it under some water and let it dry overnight, and then it's like brand new. But I love these for in between clients and between when I do my nails, because it really saves the actual filter that comes with your dust collector. The next essential that I got are sanding bands. These are 100 count, 150 grit from American Nails. I also got these off of Amazon. I love the zebra ones. I don't know why, it's just a preference that I have, but they're just really little sanding bands that you put on your mandrel bit for prepping your nails. But these were actually pretty cheap and a reasonable price, so I got these off of Amazon too. Almost everything that I have I got off Amazon. I will link them all down below for you, but these were a good price for 100 of them. The next thing I got off Amazon is a cleanup brush. I haven't opened this yet because I was waiting to do this video just to give you my initial reaction towards it. So I'm gonna open it up now. I bought this to replace my other cleanup brush because it's old and I wanted a new one. This one has all that glue up in it, so you have to get all that out. I wanted a stiffer one. I don't know if it's going to be stiff enough for cleaning up, but it was worth a shot. And this is a number 16 head on it, so, and it comes with a dotting tool, which I already have dotting tools, so I'm not going to use the dotting tool on it. It's just basically for the first impressions. I like how big it is. It's like the size of a pen, and I like bigger tools like this. And the brush isn't as stiff as I thought it would be. I might trim this down to make it a little stiffer, just like, I don't know, a little bit off of it, but we'll see. I'll try it out and see how it works. You never know. Another thing I got was top coat from, this is McCart's Snow White top coat. I only use this for my videos that I do. I don't use these on clients. I've never used a cart, but I use my trusted top coats on my clients. But this will be the top coat that I use in my future videos when I show you designs and stuff. Let's see. So another essential that I had to get was isopropyl alcohol. I got this off Amazon. They were 4 liters, I think. Yeah, this is 1 liter, and I got 4 of them. So everybody needs alcohol for wiping dispersion layers and stuff like that. So here we are, alcohol. And another thing I got was pure acetone, a gallon of pure acetone. I got this from Sally Beauty here where I live. It's actually a pretty good price for, I think it was like 24 something, so it's not bad. At least I can get it locally. So this is the only thing that I didn't buy off Amazon. I'll just share that. The next thing is a couple of essentials that I got off of Young Nails because I needed a little restock of builder gel. So I got my favorite build gel thinner viscosity from Young Nails in the 60-gram pots. It's just a clear and it's a thinner viscosity. I would show you more, but I'd probably spill it everywhere like I do with everything else. And they came out with a tip and jewel adhesive gel. So you can use this to adhere full cover tips, and you can use it for like rhinestones or any like nail embellishments you want to use. I haven't opened it yet, so I'm gonna do that right now with my trusty scissors here. Hopefully I don't make a humongous mess with it. But everybody knows me, and I like to make messes. It's just what I do. Okay. There we go. So you can see this is a really stiff gel. It's not going to move anywhere unless you like dig it out of here and use it on a nail. But as you can see, that's pretty much the thickness. It doesn't move. I've watched a couple of videos on it, Karen using it, so I'm excited to try this out and see how it goes. We'll see. Okay, last couple of things that I have is I bought this little thing. It vibrates. I bought this to mix up polishes, and I'll tell you why. So polishes, if you let them sit on your shelves for too long, they tend to separate. And I have a few of those. I have this yellow right here. I don't know if you can tell if it's separated or not, but it's very separated. And yellow is a color that I don't really use a whole lot. So, and it also came with metal beads that you can stick inside of your polishes for it to swirl around in your polish and mix it up really well. But these are really big, so, and I don't know if these will actually fit into the polish bottles, but I had separate ones in my drawer. I think I got these off Amazon, and they're much smaller than what came with the actual mixer, so I'm gonna try these. And then I also got this is a magnet at the very end here. It's a pretty strong one, and it fits in the neck of my polish bottles. I think I'm just gonna cut this, or have my husband cut it, you know, to like here, so it's long enough to hang on to. I don't need this whole thing. And I will show you how this works. So you have your mixer, you have your bottle, and you just press it down like so, and it mixes it up fairly well. I'm really actually impressed with this, to be quite honest. So I'll take it off, and then I'll look in my polish bottle, and that's pretty good actually. Yellows are really hard to get mixed thoroughly, in my opinion, even if you like roll it in your hands or roll it on your table. I'm just gonna continue mixing this here. I've had success without the metal balls. I haven't tried the metal balls yet, so I can't tell you how well that would work out, but this looks pretty good actually. It's not as separated as it was before. If my camera was pointing down, I would show you a little bit better, but yeah, there's like no separation on the polish bottle anymore. So this was an excellent investment. I don't remember how much it was, but again, I'll have it linked, everything that I bought linked on in the description down below. And I believe that is all I got for nail essentials that I need for doing clients and doing my own nails and getting the best things to set you up for success is my main goal. A lot of these things are not everybody's essential, not everybody's thing that they gear towards, but I hope that I helped you find some things that you could put in your toolkit to help you be successful doing your own nails, or if you're licensed in doing other people's nails. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I appreciate you being here. Please like and subscribe and share my content if you know somebody that likes this type of content, and I will continue to post, I would say once or twice a month. I haven't really figured that part out yet, but I am back, and I hope you stick around for some more, and I really hope you guys have the best day ever. Bye!